welcome back to my channel, Ashley Tries. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make stickers at home without sticker paper. Way number 1, starting from scratch. You're going to first start by drawing whatever you want your sticker to be. If you are not interested in making stickers from scratch, you can skip to 438 if you want to make stickers using printout. The next step that I did was color it in. This is definitely not necessary, but if you'd like it to be colored, then you can do this. Now I'm drawing a line around the sticker so I know exactly where to cut. Now you're gonna cut, and this part may be a little tricky for some people, but if you still see the pencil lines, it's okay because we're gonna clean it up later. As I said earlier, now we're going to clean up the pencil lines that were left from cutting. To do so, I'm just using a normal eraser to erase. Now here's the fun part. Now we're going to make it a sticker. To do so, we're just going to need some tape, plastic, scissors, and your sticker. Now you're going to cut your clear tape to the size you need it to be to fit your sticker. And then you're going to place it on the plastic sticky side down. That will be used as the bottom of the sticker. Now you're going to place your sticker on top of that piece of tape, right side up. And then you're going to place another piece of clear tape right on top of it to seal it down. Now you're going to peel the entire thing off. Now you're going to cut around your sticker so you can take all the excess tape off. Let's see if it works. Number 2, printouts. This is actually the exact same as the last one, but instead of drawing, you skip that process and you just skip to the sticking, since you already have the picture printed out. Now you're going to lay your piece of clear tape onto the plastic. In this case, my photo was wider than most others, so I'm going to put 2 pieces of tape on the bottom so it covers the entire photo. And then you're going to put your photo on top, and then you're going to cover it with more clear tape. Now you are going to start peeling the whole thing off. Now you are going to cut the excess pieces of tape off of the sticker. And there you go, your own sticker.